A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of Logic Quiz. And here today also, I will be asking some brain teasers and let us see who answers them. Right? The first one is, can you name three consecutive days without using words Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or so on? Right? Can you tell me three consecutive days without using Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Think, children. How can you tell these 3 days? Yes, anyone? Okay. So the answer is yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Right? The answer is yesterday, today, and tomorrow. These are three consecutive days. Now we come to the second one. Why are $1998 coins worth more than $1997 coins? Why are $1998 coins worth more than $1997 coins? Yes, you might be thinking that the value of dollar increased, right? But see, children, nowhere it is written 1998 is year. It is just a figure. 1998 means this is the number of coins. So as 1998, one coin is more, so its value is more. It's as simple as that. Now we come to the third one. Kevin's mother had three children. The first was Alpha, the second was called Beta. What was the name of the third? Yes, children? Kevin's mother had three children. First was Alpha, second was Beta. What was the name of the third one? Children, give you one hint. The answer is in the question itself. Yes, you got it right. It's Kevin. Kevin is the third one. Now the fourth one. What can go up a chimney down but can't go down a chimney up? Means, let me tell you this in Hindi, then it will be clear to you. वो कौन सी चीज़ है जो चिमनी में ऊपर जा सकती है उसको नीचे की तरफ से, राइट, बट वो नीचे नहीं जा सकती है ऊपर की तरफ से. मोर कंफ्यूजिंग. Think about. Anybody guessing it? Okay, it's an umbrella, right? It's an umbrella, right? It's an umbrella. Umbrella is the answer. It can go up from the down part, right? Means जब बंद होता है umbrella, when the umbrella is closed, it can go up, but when it is up, means when it is open, it cannot go down, right? Fifth, there is one sport in which neither the spectator or participants know the score or the leader until the contest ends. Nobody knows the score. It is nowhere shown, it is nowhere displayed. Which is that sport? It's a very interesting sport. India has done tremendously well in this. We are very highly ranked in the world. In Olympic even we have won medals. You have guessed it correct. It is boxing. It is boxing, right? What has roads but no cars, rivers but no water, and hills but no trees? What has roads but no cars, rivers but no waters, and hills but no trees? Any guesses? Yes, it is map. It is a map, right? Now, I have a large box, 10 inches square and 12 inches tall. Roughly how many coins can I place in my empty money box? Right? I have a large money box, 10 inches square and 12 inches tall. Roughly how many coins I can place in my money box? Think, children. Yes, anybody having the answer? Yes. See, you can place 120 coins, one after the other, right? One after the other. So it won't be empty, right? Now we come to the eighth one. Only four words in standard English begin with the letter DW. Name any two of them, right? There are four words which begin with DW. You have to name any two of them. And the answer is dwell, dwarf, dwelling, right? Dwindle. Okay. Now come to ninth. In Aberland, you cannot take a picture of a man with a wooden leg. Why not? You cannot take a picture of a man with a wooden leg. Why not? What is wrong with that? The thing wrong is, the answer is, you have to take the picture with a camera and not with a wooden leg. Right? You have to take the picture with a camera. How far can a horse run into a forest? How far can a horse run into a forest? Yes? It can run and run and run and run. No. Only it can run. The answer is half of it, half the route. Because after that, it will be coming out of the forest. Right? After that, it will be coming out of the forest. Okay. A man looks at a photograph and says, brothers and sisters, I have none, but this man's father is my father's son. How is the man in the photograph related to him? A man looks at a photograph and says, brothers and sisters, I have none, but this man's father is my father's son. How is the man in the photograph related to him? My father's son, and he has no brothers. It is the man himself. It is his own picture, right? Not 12th. A murderer is condemned to death. He has to choose between three rooms. A murderer is condemned to death. The first is full of raging fires, huge fire are there. The second is full of assassins with loaded gun, means murderers. And the third is full of lions that haven't eaten in 3 years. Which room will he be safer for him, right? Everywhere there is death, fire is death, assassins will kill him, and there are lions who have not eaten for 3 years. Yes, I think someone has guessed it. The answer is he will go in the room with the lions who have not eaten for 3 years. Because if they have not eaten for 3 years, how they are alive? They are dead. Right? Okay. There are two plastic jugs filled with water. How could you pull all this water into a barrel without using the jug or any dividers and still tell which water came from which jug? It's a simple one. What I will do is I will freeze them, and with the shape of the ice I will tell it has come from which jug. Right? Now the 14th one. There is a mute who wants to buy a toothbrush by imitating the action of brushing one's teeth. He successfully expresses himself to the shopkeeper and purchase is done. Now if there is a blind man who wishes to buy a pair of sunglasses, how he should express himself? Yes, children? How will he express himself? Anyone who can tell me? He will express himself from his mouth because he is blind and not mute. Right? Now we come to the last one. You are running in a race, you overtake the second person. What position are you in? You are running in a race and you overtake the second person. What position are you in? Some of you will believe you become first. It's wrong. Now, if you have overtaken the second position, now you are second in the race. Right, children? Okay. So, with that, we come to the logic quiz. Hope you liked it as much as I did in making it. So, until we meet again, it's a goodbye.